Hi guys, this is Tech World One. Huawei released its latest mobile Wi-Fi at the price of 32 United States dollars. Huawei Portable Wi-Fi 5. This compact device boasts impressive features including high-speed internet, long battery life, and multi-device support. Huawei Portable Wi-Fi packs a 2400 mAh battery. It will be support 8 and 9 hours of continuous usage, and you can stay connected throughout the workday a weekend gateway. It will continue support connect with the internet world. Huawei Portable Wi-Fi 5 integrates seamlessly with the Huawei Smart Live app. This app allows you to monitor your data usage, set limits, manage connected devices, and even create a separate guest Wi-Fi network. And the app offers online protection features, reducing the risk of Wi-Fi password leakage and ensuring a secure internet experience. The Huawei Portable Wi-Fi 5 supports 5G network connectivity, delivering download speed of up to 195 Mbps. This is a big improvement. This translates to smoother video conferencing, faster downloads, and more enjoyable online experience. And upload speed have been a significant boost, reaching 105 Mbps, making live streaming and sharing large files. It can support up to 60 devices at a time, making it perfect for group projects, family outings, or gaming sessions with friends. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.